Right, lads, came across one of these little Avis padlocks on the job. Must be about 3 weeks ago now, maybe 4. It took me ages to get it open. I mean, like 20 minutes. I had the client there. Was it too hard for you? I was so embarrassed. So I thought, I've got to buy one. What is it? It was a number 6, 4140, 100%. It snapped it shut. Left the keys inside, so he's still got the padlock. I wanted to keep it, trying to give him another padlock, but that's what he said was, well, if it took you ages to pick it, it should be pretty good. So I thought, well, okay, I'll come out and buy my own one. It's the right up here, laminated steel, individual galvanised, tough countersunk rivets, cylinder protected against drilling and pulling. So that's it there. So I'm going to open it live on camera. Open it and pick it. It's not going in the canal. There's one not too far from me. It'll probably make its way up north to one of the other chaps. Number 6 rating out of 10. Alright, she's locked. I'll find the right wrench for it. And I've got 2 picks here, see another thicker one. Let's see how we get on. I'm expecting Avis to have mushroom pins. Binding already at the back, set at the front. I was actually up the top of the scaffolding. 3 stories up. Ooh, big set there. 3 stories up, freezing cold. Someone breathing down my neck. I just couldn't pick it for the life of me. I suppose when you're under pressure. And she's gone. 2 minutes 24. Now that should be what it would have been up there, but you know what it's like. Wind's blowing. You're bloody 30 foot up in the air, someone breathing down your neck, and it took me, I'll be honest, it did take me a good 20 minutes. I was so embarrassed, but got it open. That's the main one. Right, there's the key on it. Let's get a bit of water on. Now let's do a close up here. High bit on this one. My lovely camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. 5 pins. Let me just fill 5 pins. There's 5 pins in there. I'm really shocked. Maybe that's why it took me so long. I just assumed there'd be 4 pins in it, and I was only doing 4. Maybe that's what it was. You never know. Well, there you go. Out for the packet. Thanks for watching, lads. Keep it nice and short and sweet. See you over in UK Lockspot. Thanks. Bye bye.